how to turn on or turn off lock screen always on display on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next in here, we scroll down, then tap on lock screen and always on display. In here, go down and tap on always on display. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now tap on the left hand side. In here, you will be able to customize what's on your always on display. So you can choose to show or hide the lock screen, wallpaper, show music information, and when to show, auto always, tap to show, as schedule for new notifications. And that's it. So that is how you can switch it on or off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.